Our next slide is going to be of Euglena, which is a small microscopic organism that's in the Protistan kingdom. It's a little fun because when you look at it under the microscope, it's green because it has chloroplasts, and it moves around, which is not something that you normally associate with photosynthetic organisms. But we get this little photosynthetic organism from this nice jar here that's basically full of sort of pond scum water. You can see that it's greenish in color, right? There's a lot of chlorophyll in here. So I'll show you how we make a slide of this. To make the slide of the Euglena, I have a subsample of the larger jar, and I'm going to use a small pipette and look for a little bit of the material that's kind of green and gooky at the bottom, put them in the pipette, and then carefully, it's easy to overdo this, put a drop or two on my slide. Doesn't look like much, but there it is. And then I'll grab my cover slip, put the cover slip on, tidy up my slide, and we'll go over and look at it under the microscope.